Alrighty, we're out here, Lake Somerville. Got my boat. Fixing to go ahead and push it in the water, get in the lake. I'm out here with Val fishing. I'm gonna back the truck up. Well, not back it up, but go park it. Get on the water, get some lines out. Fishing for anything, stripers, crappie, catfish, bass, whatever bites. We got some shad in the cooler. See if I can show y'all. It's all bubbled up, but we got some shad in the cooler, and we got a carp in there as well. Some pretty big shad, and we also got some small ones. And the carp is somewhere in there, so. Yep, get some lines up. So we got here, we parked, found a little nice bank spot. We're gonna throw some big pieces of shad out, see if we can hook up on some cats or whatever wants to bite. So yeah, beautiful day out here. Really enjoying this moment. Doing some fishing, and I guess I'll catch up if we get some bites. I'm on. Hey, get that GoPro. Oh, I'm on.
I can't see anything.
Is it on?
Yeah. Oh, nice, bro. Nice, guys. Oh.
Let's go.
Yeah, my boy.
Look at that. Oh, that's a good cat, man.
Oh my God, y'all, look at this cat. Oh my God.
So we know they're there.
Oh my God.
That's a good size cat. You okay?
Yeah.
Hold on, it's wrapped around his, there you go, drop it. 4.5? 4 point something?
It's bigger than that, it just keeps moving. There's no way that's only 4 pounds, bro. Yeah, 4.5.
4.5.
Holy. Are you gonna keep it?
Do you want to? I mean, I don't need it.
That's dope, bro.
Alright, we'll get that cat. Channel cat. Good sized catfish. Alright, let's release him, see if he'll go. Come on. There he goes.
That was sick, bro.
My hands are all slimy.
Mine are too.
Wait for the bite. It's a circle hook. It'll set itself. What? She is on. That's definitely a fish. Definitely a fish. How close is it?
I don't know.
Oh, look at the rod bend.
Oh, it's right there.
It's a good fish. Here it comes. Nice kitty. Buffalo. That's a kitty. Nice. The channel cat. Bring that bad boy over here. Oh yeah.
Yes, oh, it's swallowed it, bro.
Better. All right, there we go. Valerie's catch. Channel cat. Both got a fish on the board. Let's get the release. There he goes. Good stuff, Val. Oh, he got off.
No way.
No, he's still on. Oh my God, guys, I have a big fish on. Maybe not, I think he may have got off. I don't feel him anymore. Oh, here we go. Wasn't recording when I got the bite, but we got another one, baby.
That's nice.
Look at that boy. Yeah. Pull him right here. Look at that.
Nice.
That's a nice freaking cat. Woo! Look at that bad boy.
Look at that fat head.
Oh, he's barely hooked.
Perfect.
Look at the, where's the grippers at? Right here. Look at that. Perfect hook set. Small hook, baby, catching big old fish. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Thanks for the help. Thanks for recording, Val. Look at that fish, guys. Beautiful channel cat.
Oh. Whoa.
Beautiful channel cat. Loving that shad, man. They're going crazy on it. Let's get the go. 3.95.
Wow.
He's smaller than the other one, but to me he looks bigger.
He looks bigger.
Yeah, he definitely looks fatter. Maybe the other one was longer. Look at the body.
Look at that, everybody.
He ain't missing no meal. That's a fat cat. Big old mouth right there. All right, let's let him go. He yanked down on that rod.
He did.
Go ahead, you ready to go? He ready. All right, all good. You can hit the record button again and it'll stop. All right, calling it a day. It's getting pretty windy. It's also like almost 6 o'clock now, so we've literally fished from like 10 to 6, something like that. Caught like 5 fish. Pretty successful day, first time ever doing this spot. Had a really good time. Valerie's the captain right now. She's driving the boat. And we're heading to the dock, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Until next time.